Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to class. So today is the day 42 of our exam work hour. In today's class, we are going to continue from another tools we can use Microsoft Excel for. So what is that? That we called hyperlink. What do you mean by hyperlink? So this is a way of we making sure, or this is a way of we trying to embed a sheet or a link into what our Excel cell. Then we write what any name what we want to give it to. And we are going to give it any name what we so desire. What do I mean? Now look at this particular table. I have X lookup. I have a lot of sheets here. You can see X lookup, left, offsets. If I continue clicking, you see that they are very much. They are very much. So, and I don't want to remember every time I need this one, you have to be going through all this stress. Exactly. Rather than doing that, so there's actually a way you can create what the master sheet for this, and it's going to what help us. And how do we do that? We are going to see that now. So now I have X lookup. I'm going to create for just 3 or 4 of these cells. I'm just going to create for 4 of these sheets. Sorry. So I have X lookup sheets. I have depth sheets. I have offset sheets. Like this. Exactly. Now, how do you go about that? Now, if I want to do this, all I just need to do is what? I just need to over to my X lookup, right click like this. Then I come to this place, you can see link. Now, you see, there's actually 2 things here you need to know. If you click on this now, the link is going to be going for you most times are what? If you check all this, they are what? They are the um, files I have in what on my OneDrive. If you click on this arrow, you are going to be having what only the what options of what files on your OneDrive exactly, and I don't want that. So I want to what link to this. So I will click on this link. You can see it now. You can see existing file or web page. If I want to what link to what, a web page, click in this document. You can see in this particular document. So I can do that in this document. I can say what create new document again. I can say email address. Can you see it? Can you see that? So that is it. It's what I want to do is that it is in this particular place. So I say what I want to X lookup. And I say okay like this. Can you see it? Now, like once I click on it, you see it take me to the X lookup. Now let us do for our red sheet also. If I click, come to what link like this. From there, come to what red like this. And you say okay. If I click on it, you can see it takes me to the red. Then offset sheets. And just do this like this. Click. Then you say what offsets. Okay, so that's cancel that. Now another one you can also do is that what. Okay, now let me say if it is link I want to link it to. Okay, let me just say I want to link it to ChatGPT. Let's ChatGPT, for example. Just ChatGPT. ChatGPT like this. So you can just come to what? Once now what? First I can type my ChatGPT here. For example, like this control. You can see it. Now just see from here. In fact, I can use a function. Is to hyperlink. This is the link location. See what chat GPT. You see, it takes me to what chat GPT. Can you see that? So that's another way you can actually what you can link. So you can also use the hyperlink function. Exactly. So I believe with this is going to assist you in a lot of things when you are working. Exactly. And I believe you've been able to learn something today. How you can link out to different sheets. In fact, even if it is workbook, you can link to it under workbook. Exactly. What do I mean? Let me just say another workbook. Just give me instead of placing this document, I'll just say what existing file or page. So instead of it, let me go to what my desktop. This datasets like this. Projects. Let me just click on this like this. That's it. It took me there. Can you see that? So there's another way you can actually what, do this. So I believe we've been able to learn what how to what use our hyperlink into this class. I believe this is going to assist you a lot of time. Okay, now if we still have some other things, okay, now let me also leave to my sort. So for us to know, like instead of going through the stress of seeing I want to be doing this sort sheet, you can give it any name you like, any name you like. It depends on what you choose. So link, that's what place in this document sorts. So once I click on it like this, it takes me to what the sort page. So thanks for watching everyone. Believe we gain what one or two things into this class. Let's meet tomorrow morning where you're going to learn with some other things. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share this video to, what, to your colleagues or mates. Maybe never can tell them at what be in need of what this function or tool at this particular time or later in the future in their work. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.